Okay, so the live stream is live, and I want to do in today's live stream is let's see where we have it. If we have a look at this strategy, I guess. And switch our endpoint to localhost 301, I guess. Let's go to the dashboard and we have that copied. Actually, so you can see it. Paste in the identifier, switch the symbol, and that's not loading because the server is not running. So this should now work. Yes. So here we already have the first case. Actually, that's the only case. Okay. Now, okay, we have multiple cases like that, but that's already a good example. The entry price was here, and then we had another buy, and the buy was 398 contracts, and the entry's position size before was 36 contracts only. So this buy moved the average entry price too close to the actual price, so that the reduced position got triggered basically. So I want to limit the max buy size, so it only moves the average entry price by, I don't know, 75% makes closer to the current price. And I asked ChatGPT for a function that basically gives me an output how much it would move the entry price, which looks good. I pasted it already in the console, and the old size is 2. So if I buy another 2 contracts, the entry price would end up in between, so in perfectly in the half between both buy orders. If I would now buy 4 contracts, it would be closer to the current price, and if I buy something like 500 contracts, I would basically completely move it to the current price. So we now copy this function and say paste it somewhere in our utils. I don't think we use just used anywhere, but well, let's remove this. I hope it doesn't break anything, but we will see. But let's run the build to see if still everything's fine. Of course not. Okay, we don't need the import here. Perfect. So let's go into our strategy, and first let's actually fill up our database again and run this. So this keeps running in the background. Is it running anywhere? Okay, let's see. I'm getting the too many requests error, but maybe because I just loaded the dashboard. Okay, anyway, let's run the backtester, but only for nope. Render USDT swap only for render. Let's delete all backtests and say run backtester. Perfect. We now have the result for render, which should still look the same. Let's copy this. And yeah, we still have this jump here, which we don't want. So let's integrate the utils or the helper function and say in both of them here const ratio equals, and what is the function called? Calculate price move proportion. Calculate price move proportion, and this one's the old size, so this takes in contract size and the buying power in contracts. And if, wait, is this a const? Yes. Const amount equals by amount USD equals entry size USD. Let's say this is by amount USD. If the ratio is bigger than, I don't know, 0.7, and actually let's check again. So let's copy this. Okay, we have it open. So the old size is 2. If you know 6, so times 3 would already move the price by that. So let's say this is 8, and then say const convert USDT to contracts. Const contract value. That's this dot order helper dot contract USD value. And then we say buy amount USD equals the current contract size times contract value. And this of course is a let. And now put this in here as well. Run backtester. So now we have 6, and now sort by time. So, and I want Skype fast. Profit looks way worse, I guess. So here the profit here was 358. Let's now duplicate. We can close the console here and actually load the new result. Still have this thingy. Let's actually set a debugger here and debugger here. Do we ever go in there? Here we go in there. The ratio is that. The buy amount is 13 USD. And now instead we move it to, set it even higher. Huh. This does not make sense at all. Convert USDT to contracts. Let's have a public convert contracts to USD. Convert contracts to USD. Construct order helper and convert Contracts to USD. Do I need to add it in both? Yeah, contracts to USD. And this one's the price, yes, and the amount of contracts. So then the buy amount is times 3. So the buy amount is still 1318. And then we set it to almost 3 only. What's the new updated ratio? And this one's the new so again 1318. The updated ratio, why is it that low? Why is it that low? Do I need to add in the leverage somewhere here? I guess I can make it even easier. Let's remove this all and say if buy amount USD is bigger than margin times 3, then I want and no, actually let's keep the ratio. And just that it's used. So the ratio is again, okay, this is a ratio we don't want. And it triggered. What is our margin? Our margin is 68 cents only. Okay, of course. And actually we could say like margin slash, let's see, let's say if we have $3 margin and we buy, I don't know, 15, it should be 15. Let's say this. And actually that returns the same ratio. Nice. So we don't need our helper anymore. So ratio bigger than 0.9. Actually, let's say 8. And let's do this here as well. Let's remove this. Nice, and let's remove it from our utils. Nice. Okay, yeah, that's fine. We want to be in here. No, I guess buy lows are fine. There we don't need to adjust it. But let's have a look at the latest result. This should now look totally different. Bum, bum. Yes. Okay. But profit isn't that high anymore. Okay. But let's say, what if we say 2.5 here? I mean 2.5, let's check real quick, where is it? Here would be 5. 2 times 2.5, yeah, so 70%. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Let's run it, yes. Hello? Okay. Let's get this result and check it. Okay, now I wanna stop the database script. Run again. I don't know what the profit looked before. We are closer here again. But there was another case. Mm-hmm. 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 Let's now get an overall look. Let's delete all of them. Let's do this and run it. But let's run it over all. And I only want to build run Sculpt. Wait, what? It's actually, yeah. Let's do this. Let's wait for it to run over a few symbols. We have Sol done. That's one I wanna see. And let's say we want only name to be build Sculpt fast. You can sort by time. So we have all the okay, let's open the text edit and say penal percent. We have body have sol. We have optimism. We have Bitcoin hash. We have opt. Okay, I guess that's enough for now. Let's maybe get Matic and Matic, no, mask, link. Link. So I now run it again with this enabled. Okay, we have sol. It's way less. We have audio. Again, way less. Okay, and I guess we can see where this goes. Let's wait for opt. Okay, we have opt. Core 6. Yeah. Let's take Bitcoin hash. We have Bitcoin hash 743. Yeah, way less. Okay. Let's set this to 3 because 3 times so 6 is still under 0.8. What's the alt size? Okay. Run, Backtaste. Oh. Okay, errors from our PM2 lock rotate module. um, but that's nothing I really mind. So let's wait. So we have Sol. Sol is now this. Better, but still way less. But let's see. Rhetoric symbol. Swap. The latest one liquidation and 58. And the first, I guess the win ratio is way better. But that's nothing I really care about. Let's say this to 9. And here we can set it to 4, I guess. Let's check. 4.5. You could easily use 5, 6. Okay. Let's try this. We don't want to move the price too close, and 10% is really my pain threshold. I don't want to be closer than 10% here. What did Op have? Optimism 8311, Optimism 83, yeah, way less. So we have Sol, let's check. Still way less. But let's run it again without this because it looks weird. Oh, of course we want to save. Okay, we have Sol 88562 88. Ah, okay. Okay, let's set this then to 88562. I wonder that, or I'm surprised that it affects the result that much. Okay, so let's wait for Sol. We have Sol 2926. Okay. What if we set this to 95? Hello? 8, 9. Okay, you can do even 16. My guess was this, that it actually optimizes the strategy and returns better results. But I guess it then doesn't dip that often after I buy high. Or it does dip and it's happy about reduced position size. Okay, Sol. We have Sol with now 112 and a better win ratio. This is something we want. We have Audi. We have Audi with okay. Audi not that good. XRP, Litecoin, Audi. Apt has better results. Bitcoin Hash. Has better results. We have Optimism. Slightly less. Let's wait for link. Did we have link? No. Okay, we have link. 8.8. Slightly better. So I guess it doesn't affect the, except for Audi, the results that much. For Sol even improved it by a lot. And it reduces risk, so I wanna keep it integrated. Let's actually keep it running. And see what it returns for some other Shiba DYDX, Matic. Matic swap. So we have here 109 and in the beginning we have 108, so slightly better as well. Let's see if this was with yeah, this was with the ratio thing not integrated. Let's have a look at ADA. 121 stayed the same. Actually, why is it only? We never run it that far, okay. Sui. Decent profit. Arbitrum. Okay. Okay, it made less profit than just holding. No, actually that's good. That's good. Holding would have lost 40% and the strategy made 50%. That's nice. I want to see Jupiter and Render. So Render's all profit was 360 bucks. $360 on the 19th. Okay. Let's have a look at Uni. Still better than hodling. So the strategy is very decent. Atom. Way better than hodling. Okay. APP. Yeah, very good. So I can basically run a strategy on every coin I wanna trade. Did we have render? Meme near? Nope. And let's real quick add this to our as well. Buy high. To the scalp. As well. AP3 is something I'm interested in. Okay. The first coin where it doesn't look or didn't produce more. The HODL ratio. HODL percent. No. Still no render. Did we have Jup? No, now Jupiter, no render. Okay, injective. Not that good on injective. Piff. Piff is interesting. Okay, yeah. Not that much absolute profit, but still better than holding. Waiting for Jupyter and render. Let's see. I'm really interested if the results now look better. Hopefully they look better. I mean, as long as Jupyter is better than Hodling, I wanna set up a Jupyter strategy and try it live. I mean, on Pivot it looks already good. Almost 4 times the return than Hodling would have produced. How small must they be by trading volume if they haven't a period? Because it actually sorts the, like here the iteration, the array is sorted by trading volume past 24 hours, I guess. Sorts by volume. No, whole lifetime trading volume. That doesn't make sense. Let's actually sort this by a month. Jito. We can check for Jito. Okay, still better than Hodling. Oh, finally, Jupyter. Oh. Still better than Hodling, but doesn't look that good. Let's actually delete all and run again. And I think we can even delete this. And let's have a look at Sol, builds got fast, indicators. Indicators build got fast the same on Sol. Okay. Indicators is better on Audi. And 1861. Way better actually. Interesting. Interesting. And the win ratio? The same, okay. Liquidations? The same. Audi, Solana. Build fast on Audi. Build fast Sol. I don't know what WLD is. WLD. TIA, okay. I'm in 5000%. Still decent return. No difference to indicators. Audi, Sol. Optimism. Okay. We've added this to our strategies. Let's see what we want to change. On Solana, build got fast is still the one we want to trade, yes. But builds got fast. Okay, multiplayer. Let's make sure we add the multiplier. TIA, Audi, and maybe I wanna, let's see, Audi, Sol, Optimism. Let's see what does a contract cost on Optimism? One contract is $1. Okay. Is this already a new all-time high for Optimism? Okay, I wanna trade Optimism. Let's add Optimism. Optimism with $80, yes. Yeah. Sui. Maybe Sui as well? I don't know. Let's try optimism. Okay. Let's push these changes. Let's go over them again. That's fine, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. This is what we want to reduce some more risk. Better risk management. Stage all, commit. Sync changes. SSH root. Node get GitHub. SSH. Bum. Let's pim to stop all, because otherwise I can't build. It's too much load. Yarn build. I stopped all, but PM2 dashboard still says they are all running. Let's see. Okay, now it says they are stopped. Lock rotate has these two issues I mentioned. I know. Let's ignore them. Ignore. Let's run yarn pm2. No, yarn run pm2. Restart. All up and running. And let's close this. Let's go into our algo trading. Sol has no more margin. Do we have another buy on Sol? Let's see, we have OKX Sol, 2 buys, okay. So let's have a look at that. And it added optimism. Perfect. Let's see, HB Capital. And I want to say environment equals prod. So if I look at the positions, okay, we don't have optimism in there yet because it's cached. But when I say no, still no optimism? Ah, okay, it takes a few seconds until it gets written into Mongo, but let's have a look at Solana. And we have a buy low actually, about 1 contract. That's good. So the strategy works as expected. That's very nice. And by now